Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the top. Either way, after finding your photos that you wish to delete, hold the chosen one and then click on Select All at the top right corners. When you're ready, hit Remove at the bottom right one. If you wish to exclude some of your pictures, just click on them before tapping on Remove. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!